Okay, friends, this video is going to be on solving inequalities. So you set out to solve inequalities just like you do an equation. There's only one minor difference. So our goal is to get x by itself. So we always look to see where x is, and x is right here. So we want to get that x all by itself. So the first thing I would do is a lot of people would distribute the -8, and you are absolutely welcome to distribute the -8, but I happen to know that 200 is divisible by 8, so I would rather divide by -8. That's going to give me -1 minus 4x is lesser than or equal to, and 8, I think that's a -25. Then I would add 1 to both sides. Okay, and that is going to give me -4. X is lesser or equal to -24. And then I'm going to divide by -4. And right here is the change. So because it is division of a negative number, you need to turn the inequality. So in other words, because we are dividing by negative numbers, this symbol right here has to turn. So we are going to write x is greater than and equal to 6. So notice the symbol changed. So then we're going to make a number line. On the number line, we're going to put the number we're interested in. We're going to put a unit smaller. We're going to put a unit larger. Because this is an equality, this is going to be shaded. And because this is a greater than, we are going to find numbers that are greater than 6. And infinity is down here, so we're going to see the answer is 6 to infinity, and infinity is never put in a bracket. So because this is solid, this is a bracket. All right, number 2. Okay, I'm going to, so again, before I get started, I am going to locate the variable, and the variable is right here. So I need to get it isolated. So I'm going to subtract 2, and I'm going to subtract 2 from all 3 sections of the inequality. The left section, the middle section, and the right section. That is going to give me 20 is less than or equal to 10x, which is less than 30. 22 minus 2 is 20. 2 minus 2 cancels, and 32 minus 2 is 30. Then, again, because my variable is still here in the middle, I then need to divide 10, but because it's a compound inequality, I need to divide 10 on the left, in the middle, and on the right. And because it is division, but it's not a negative number, I'm not changing anything. So this is 2 is less than or equal to x, which is less than 3. So then if this is my number line, I'm going to put 2 on my number line. I'm going to put 3 on my number line. Because this is an equal to, I'm going to fill in the 2. because the 3 is not equal to, I'm going to leave the 3 open. And because the x is between them, I'm going to shade between them. So my answer is 2, 3. The 3 is a parenthesis because it's not equal to. The 2 is a bracket because it is equal to. Oh, we left out part of this problem. Okay, so I wonder what that was supposed to be. Let's see what that was supposed to be, friends, because I just totally left that out. Negative 3x plus 9 is less than 15. 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 Apologies. All right, so first I am going to, because this is in disjunction, I'm going to solve for this x, and then I'm going to solve for this x. So I am going to subtract 3 from both sides, which is going to give me 2x is lesser than or equal to negative 6. Then I'm going to divide by 2. And that is going to give me x is less than or equal to negative 3. Then I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to subtract 9 from both sides. That's going to give me negative 3x is lesser than 6. Then I'm going to divide by negative 3. But division of a negative number turn the inequality. So because this is division of a negative 3, because this is a division of a negative 3, that is going to turn. So I'm going to have x is greater than negative 2. So then on my number line, the number line I'll worry about is negative 3, negative 2. The one on the left says the x's are lesser and equal to negative 3. So the negative 3 is solid because it's equal. And then the lesser numbers are to the left because negative infinity is down here. And then this one is simply greater. So greater is open. So that's going to be open. And x is greater than negative 2. So this is going to go to the right. X is bigger than negative 2. And infinity is definitely bigger than negative 2. So my answer is going to be negative infinity to negative 3, or parenthesis negative 2 to infinity. So that's going to be the answer, my friends, and that is exactly how you do those problems. All right, if you have any questions, send me an email or ask me in class. All right, friends, thanks. Have a great day.